What's going on YouTube? You cool? So today we're going to be looking at Resolve. Davinci Resolve, which is a video editing software. There's lots of different video editing software out there. A lot of paid ones and there's a lot of free ones. For me, and what works best for me, is Davinci Resolve. There's been a few things that have frustrated the hell out of me, and I want to share a couple of those with you so it doesn't frustrate you and you don't spend a week trying to figure out what to do and how to fix that problem. If this is your first time here, my channel is about helping people, helping me, helping you. Okay, let's get into this. So what you will see now is a video clip up here, two video clips, and then you got the sound that goes with it. So it just splits it up, so you have the video and you have your audio that goes with it. So if we play the first clip, quite loud, made even louder by the Aventador. Very nice. Okay, so we stop the clip there. And if we look at on the right hand side, you have the right screen, which is your main, what you'll be working with. So any clips you want to preview before you add it down on the timeline here, and then it will show up on the right clip. So if you want to watch the whole of the timeline, you press play here. So we have one clip, a lot of sounds. Lovely Aventador. So let's bring the clip right to the back. And say, for example, we want to get rid of this audio from there because we want to put a track. So for example, let's put on this evicted track. But we want to get rid of this, don't we? Right, so we click on that. But when we click on that, it highlights the video and the audio. Now that is a little frustrating because you can't delete it, just the video or the audio, because look what happens. You delete it and they both go. So there are other ways of doing it. That you could go into, okay, let's go into the audio track. It's a little bit slow, and you can make adjustments via the mixer. But do you really need to? Because the actual audio, so if we go back, the audio that's being shown, there we go, it's not significant, right? You don't need it. It's not anyone talking, so we want to ideally get rid of it, right? So what you need to do is right click, click link clips, and as you'll see this here, that's a link icon that was over here, has now gone. But you still see that they're both still highlighted. So what you need to do is click over here and then click back again, and then only that section's highlighted. And then what you need to do is get rid of it, and it's gone. So then when you press play over here with volume, what do you get? You don't get the background noise, plus the video and the audio. The audio is gone, but the video is still there. The second thing, let's go back a step. So you have your audio and you have your video. You've removed the link. Two ways of deleting. So you either got the DEL button to delete, or you got the backspace delete button. So if you just pressed, for example, the delete button, as normally you would, look what happens. It still deletes them both. Frustrating. So if we go back a step, what you need to do is highlight what you want to delete after the link button has been removed. Obviously, yeah, you right click and you got the link clips. So once that's removed, there is also a shortcut key, which is Control-Alt-L. I can never remember shortcut keys, so I just right click and use the list available. We've unlinked it. So the one we unlinked earlier, what you need to do is press the backspace key, and it only deletes the section that is highlighted, nothing else. It doesn't edit or move anything else, which is what you want. So those are my two tips that was frustrating the hell out of me. So this video was edited on Davinci Resolve, Davinci Resolve 16. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you found that helpful. If you do like it and you found some value in it, if you want to see some more videos, some more helpful tips, feel free to comment if there's something that I may have missed or there's something you can teach me. Enjoy, be good.